Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about one of the important aspects, and this is all about digital twin. So we're going to discuss introduction of digital twin, how it works and why it matters, economic values of digital twin, future of digital twin, major application and benefit, objective of the landscape or study, patient literature analysis, graphic and analytical representations, source definition of IPS and subclasses. What is a digital twin? A digital twin or digital replica is a virtual model of physical assets such as product, process, system, or a facility. Say digital replica takes and uses data from an actual physical asset to better understand and argument its performance. Engineer can identify the safety risk of an aircraft engine by assessing different temperatures and stress on parts, surgeons, and can navigate a digital visualization of an organ before operating on it. A digital twin of a rocket that display its maximized wind resistance can ensure a launch in bad conditions and so on. Powered by a combination of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data analysis, digital twin can mirror a physical twin and relevant issues before they occur. To do so, they rely on a range of sensors embedded in the physical world to transfer real-time data about the operating process and environment. The data collections from the connected sensor is that analyzing on the cloud and is accessible via a dashboard. Internet of Things an integral part of digital twin technology. From the very definitions, it's clear that digital twins ought to dependent on IoT technology, drive by sensors, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data and analytics. IoT acts as the foundation for digital twins as it leverages specific data about physical asset to help companies make better decisions. Digital twin is therefore expected to increase IoT deployments given its ability to add value for end customer. Expert predictions that within the next 5 years, digital twins will be adopted by 85% of all IoT platforms. Introductions to the digital twins, connections and connect and collect, learn and analysis, alert and advise, decline and optimize, innovation and transformation. Digital twin, the virtual counterpart of a physical asset, is created as the digital duplication of a machine or equipment or a physical site. This digital asset can be created even before an asset is built physically. To create a digital twin of any physical asset, engineering collects and synthesize data from various sources, including physical data, manufacturing data, operational data, insight from analytical software. All this information, along with AI algorithm, is integrated into a physical-based virtual models. And by applying analytics into this model, we get relevant insight regarding the physical asset. The consistent flow of data helps in getting the best possible analysis and insight regarding the asset, which help in optimizing the outcome. Digital twin are powered a mastermind to deliver innovations and performance. Imagine your most talented products techniques within the most advanced monitor analysis and predictive capabilities as their fingertips. By 2018, companies who invested in digital twin technology will see a 30% involvement in the cycle times of critical process predicted IDC. Also, the digital twin technology helps companies improve the customer experience by better understanding customer needs, develop enhancement to existing product, operation and service, and can have help drive the innovation for new business. Okay. Major application digital twin technology, manufacturing, automobile, aerospace, healthcare, wind farm. The economic value of the digital twin technology will vary widely depending on the monetizations models that drive from them. For complex, expensive industrialization and business equipment, service and process, improvising utilization by reducing asset, downtime, lowering overall maintenance cost will be extremely valuable, making internal software competencies critical to deliver value with the digital twin. As such, the cost of developing and maintaining digital twin must be driven by both business and economics model. Digital twins are not developed in a vacuum. Both the business concept and the model must be tested against an economic architecture, revenue, profit, return on investment, cost optimization, and way to measure progress as the product and service are rolling out. To obtain the highest value from the digital twin, the enterprise must address the ethics issue raised by the different parties integrated with the data from not just the enterprise, but also its partner and customer. This will require the enterprise to think about the value of the data and its contribute to the business and partners, and also to identify potential area where its customer and its own data could drive value by also could be a risk. So we are discussing about digital twin. So as such, the cost of developing and maintaining digital twins must be driven by both business and economics model. Digital twins are not developed in a vacuum. Both the business concept and model must be tested against an economic architecture, revenue profile, returns on investment, cost optimization, and a way to measure progress as the product or service are rolling out. To obtain the highest value from digital twins, the enterprise must address the digital ethics issue raised by the different parties interacting with the data from not just the enterprise but also the partners and customers. This will require the enterprise to think about the value of data and its contribute to the business and partner. Also to identify potential area where its customer or its own data could drive value but also could be at risk. Future of digital twin. In the future, expect to see that the expansion of the IoT with its some versions of digital twin technology according to the prediction by 2022. 85% of all IoT platforms will include some kind of digital twinning. As more and more product in our homes and workplace evolve into smart devices, we will also see an increase in the availability of the digital twin technology. This digital twin already allow you to remotely adjust the temperature in your smart home, for example, or to make calls using business number as a soft phonic that valuable on all your personal devices. Madam Angela, do you have any idea about digital twin?
To be honest, Mr. President, I
Okay.
have a very vague idea about digital twins.
Okay, okay, okay. No problem, no problem. We can discuss about digital twins, and we can make a very good progress, and everything's about digital twins, and it can be helpful for us. Okay, so digital twin. Benefit of digital twin: improve quality and yield, increase efficiency and engineers, reduce cycling times and boost productivity, diagnose and fix failures, optimize robot operations and management, reduce operational cost. To understand digital twin technology and prepare a patent landscape report, to understand major patent holder, geographical distributions of patents, technology analysis, etc. To analyze patent application filing, publication, grant trend over the years, top assignees and patent classified among the others. Patent literature analysis assumption report provide patent analysis for the budding technology. Digital twins are related to the incorporation of the digital replications of the physical asset, processing people, place systems and devices for various purposes. The landscapes study focus on patents and or published patents application partnering to the technology digital twin. The patent scratch started with identifying relevant search team and patent classification code. The IPC code search are summarized in the appendix. The study was preliminary carried out using Quittel's Orbit, a popular database of the patent applications and the grant patent from 95% jurisdictions around the world created by Quistels. All analysis in the report has been done on unique families. Borderly, the search queue tried to get patent document preparing to the digital twin. As a result, the analysis obtained 199 relevant patent documents from a total of 2542 patent document. The filing trends demonstrations. This is different kind of geographicals and assignment and many more interesting aspects of uh, digital twin. Digital twin application analysis. This is assignment versus application trend. This is GE versus application trend. This is Siemens and application trend. This is all about technical dissertations, and IPC based trend. Side by side, we are observing I say sub distributions. We are observing appendings and source of different kind of definitions. So this is actually part of digital twin. The more we can understand the different kind of activities, we can take different initiative and which may be helpful for our economy. uh, so okay, yesterday we discussed some point about women entrepreneurship. So Madam Angela, how you want to share your views about digital entrepreneurships in Africa?
Well, digital entrepreneurship is a new concept that is being uh, picked up very closely with the current African women now, and this was actually noted, uh, especially when we had COVID, the impact of COVID, and most of the African women, as you know, are actually employed in the informal sectors. So a lot of them had to think about ways and means of trying to survive in the hard in the presence of the COVID impact, because they had to shut down their businesses. But a lot of women, quite a good number of women, went into uh, digitalization of their businesses, advertising their products on Facebook, and trying to get customers to sell their products through the social media. So this is something which kind of helped them quite a lot to bridge the gap, because at least some of them were not sleeping hungry. A lot of them also developed platforms like teaching online platforms, whereby they could share their views and knowledge at a fee. Now that most people were working from home, a lot of them are also trying that aspect of trying to do coaching while through Zoom classes online, which is something which is quite impressive, because it shows that with a little bit of push, the women can take the world with a storm. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Just I want to know, like, how actually is example in Africa, women get support from different NGO and government for doing a different kind of entrepreneurship initiative.
Most of the time, the women do quite a lot of activities right at the or their community levels. But the problem in Africa that I would attest to is these women are they are hardly noticed. This is because we have also the media biasness, because sometimes the media does not get to report and highlight some of these good things that women are trying to do at the grassroots levels and at their community levels. So the negative publicity, and then they are not actually brought in the front in the limelight, uh, brings them a bit, takes them their business a bit slower. But in the event that the media would try to build such people with initiatives like maybe helping the girl child, and for example, I know of one lady who was a teacher who tried to organize for classes when classes were out because of COVID, and she was teaching students, pupils who are going to sit for their final exams online at no cost. So, such things should be actually uploaded and brought into the limelight, and such people should actually get a lot of government applause, and NGOs should look at how to uh, leverage and help these people in uplifting their performances, because most of the time they don't really get help, because they are not, whatever they are doing down there in the grassroots is really not known there. It's not known by anyone, so they are doing their things, but no one is coming out to really showcase their stories out there or tell their stories in the social media to make the world know about their projects.
Okay, okay, excellent. So, Ramla, can you share some of your view with us? Ramla? Okay, so our next objective is that like we will focus on entrepreneurship, digital entrepreneurship, okay? As well as we do focus on research. Okay, let's say what we are discussing, we will develop some paper, concept note, okay? Case study, case study on Africa, paper on Africa. It will be helpful for you and everyone. So thank you. Today's session is really good, especially your response is very effective. That is the way, you are actually improving. The previous, you come up with a different idea. Now you are very much focused. In a short way, you can give the response. That is called good improvement in communication skill. So thank you, Madam Angela. But from tomorrow, at least I want at least 7 to 9 students like you. Okay? Because we need a team. We need to do a teamwork. Okay? You are representative for School of Talent Economy. You should help me. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
I actually got some colleagues, but then their schedules, probably they could be able to join by next week because their working schedules, the notice was too short for them to be able to join in today's class. So probably they would be joining us from next week.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, everyone. It's a very good sessions. Thank you for joining to this session. Thank you, Angela, and thank you, Ramla. I request everyone please subscribe our channel, share our content as much as possible from Africa. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Good job.
Thank you. Thank you.